Hi guys, got some armour to show you this today. So yeah, so let's have a look. So from Tacom, this is the next version of their 16th scale Panzer 1 Offs B with I think it's a demolition charge or something or other on the back of it. So it's essentially the same kit, which has been received quite well, but it does give you this extra unit on the back. So yeah, quite nice. That's 16th scale. So from Tacom, so there you go. Also from Tacom, we've got their Burj Panzer 2 from them. So this is quite nice. This is 35th scale. So you've got all the arm and the bits and pieces there for it. Lots and lots and lots in the kit as usual from Tacom. It's quite good. And there you go. There's a couple of choices of markings on the side there, so you can see what they've got. But no, if you're looking for that whole recovery and maintenance type of vehicles that you've been building, this is the next one in your series, so that's quite nice. From ICM, a couple of 35th scale ones. This is the next in their series of Leylands. This is the open top with the soft cover, so that's quite nice. They've got a whole series of these. This is the next one in their refueller trucks. Now, this is 35th scale. This is similar to the one that Airfix did years ago in their refueling set. So this is just the 40th scale, 35th scale one. They have done this before, but it's in the later model. This is the earlier model. So as you can see by the side, you can see a couple of choices of markings. That's very similar to the original, the Airfix 72nd scale one. So if you know what you're looking at, that's quite it. This is the Bedford QL in 35th scale. From Tamir, we've got a couple of new ones. This one has the old Kettenkrad, but I believe this is all new tool with some new figures and things like that. Comes with the trailer and all sorts, so that's quite nice. That's all 35th scale. There you go. There's the Kettenkrad with the trailer, which I don't believe it came with originally. So this is a mid-production one. Quite good. Oh, good. Another Panther we needed. German tank Panther. This is a new tool one. I believe it is the latest, latest reiteration of it. So quite nice. If you know Tamir, you know what to expect. Especially their new stuff is very, very good. From Das Work, we have a little mine schlepper, which is what do you call them? Munitions resupply tank or transport. So that's just come in as well. And then finally, from Das Work, we have their VK45 Ram Tiger, which is essentially a Tiger hull with this big unit put on the top of it. It was supposed to be going around sort of crashing into things and bowling things over and everything else. This is also on 35th scale. This, if you know Das Work, and they're getting better and better, this is a nice kit. The review I read of it was quite interesting. It said it was, it's got a bit, but not a lot. So if you just want to continue that Tiger family, then that's another one to add to your list. 4 choices of markings on it, so you've got plenty there. I don't think it's actually real, but it was something that was coming out. So again, you can add it to that whole wartime, end of the war type stuff and go from there. So guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you then. Bye.